Today we're going to be talking about the prefixes un and re. Un means not or opposite of. Re means again. For example, if our base word is cap, adding the prefix un to cap would make the word uncap. That means to take off the cap. Using the same base word, cap, we can add the prefix re. Recap means to put the cap on again. Let's look at some examples of words with these prefixes. Remake means to make again. Unmade means the opposite of made or not made. Unsafe means not safe. Refresh means fresh again. Rename means name again. Reshape means shape again. Unwell means not well. Unplug means not plug, or the opposite of plug.